Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're told to let g of x equal the cube root of 1 minus x cubed, and first to find the inverse of g. So if we write it as y is equal to the cube root of 1 minus x cubed, all we have to do is swap x and y, and we have the formula for our inverse. Of course, we're going to want to solve for y. So let's cube both sides. That becomes x cubed, and the cube root disappears. And we just have what's inside. We just subtract 1. X cubed minus 1 is equal to negative y cubed. Divide both sides by negative 1. This cancels, and we're left with y cubed is equal to negative 1 divided by negative 1 is 1. X cubed divided by negative 1 is negative x cubed. So I've just swapped them to keep the subtraction. And for another reason, as you'll see, when we take the cube root of both sides, we rewrite it up here. We have the cube root of y cubed is y is equal to the cube root of 1 minus x cubed. And you'll notice, how is it related to g? It is g. These two are the same thing, so g of x equals this, and it also equals its own inverse. And we're asked to graph g, and this might not be a graph that you're familiar with doing straight up, but it looks a little something like this. And the importance of graphing it is to see when we reflect it over the line y equals x, we'll get the graph itself because it's symmetric on both sides of the graph.